How to recover Gmail account without verification code, password, and mobile number. In order to do that, you have to open up a Chrome browser. And in the search bar, you have to type in support.google.com. Now, once you're here, tap on the search bar that says describe your issue and then type in recover. Now from here, choose the first option, that is how to recover your Google account or Gmail. Then tap on the community from the menu bar at the top. Here, scroll down a bit. There is a section that says post a question, tap on it. So from here, there it says search summary of your issue. Here you can say Google account recovery. Under that, on description, you have to provide the description of your issue. You can say that you have lost access to your mobile number and your email address, and you don't have any access to verification code, so you need help with the Gmail account recover. Once you have added your issue, scroll down a bit and on the category, tap on please select. Here tap on account access and recovery. After that, tap on next. Here scroll down a bit and then tap on account access issue. Then tap on next. So once you're here, again scroll down and then tap on next step. Now you have to add more details. Tap on this platform and now you have to choose your device. Scroll down a bit. Here you can simply tap on no don't include, then tap on next step. Once here, now you have to confirm and post your issue to the community. Here it says your display name. Get emails when someone responds, and once you confirm it, you can simply tap on post, and now your issue will be posted in your community. When someone has the solution for your issue, you will have an email in your account that you have provided. So with the help of the email, you can follow the instructions and recover your Gmail account. That's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.